How to set Labubu wallpaper on your Samsung device. This is my Samsung S25 Ultra. When you lock your phone, you can see the Labubu wallpaper. This is the trending live wallpaper on a Samsung device. So if you have any Samsung device running One UI 7 or other, you can apply this Labubu wallpaper, live wallpaper on your device. To set it, follow this tutorial. First of all, open the Instagram application on your device. If you are outside India, so if you are US or UK, you can use the TikTok also. So first of all, open the Instagram application on your device. Tap on a search bar. Here you can search for the Labubu wallpaper. Tap on it. Here you can find the list of different available wallpapers. So you need to download it on your Samsung device to set at the live wallpaper on your Samsung S25 Ultra, S24 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So first of all, you need to download it using the Google Chrome. So download it on your device. So in the gallery, here we download the Labubu wallpaper on my device. Here you can see. So now to set the live wallpaper as a Labubu, tap and hold the blank space on home screen on your device. Tap on a wallpaper and style at the bottom left. Tap on a lock screen wallpaper. Now tap on a wallpaper at the top. Select the phone gallery and select the Labubu wallpaper. Tap on a done. Now here you can see how it looks on your device. You can also change clock color. If you don't see clock color, so you can change the clock color, clock style. Here you can set your favorite clock style on your device from the available list. Also select the clock style. This is the amazing it looks like awesome when you select it with the live wallpaper effect. You can also change clock color if you don't see the clock color. So go to change font and color. If you set green color, you can't see properly on your device. So you can set the black color to look the perfect like this on your device. When you set the clock color and a live Labubu wallpaper, tap on a done at the top right corner. Now change apply to lock screen. Now lock your phone and you can see set the Labubu wallpaper on your Samsung device. So it's quite easy to set or apply the live Labubu animation wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S24 Ultra or any other Samsung One UI 7 device. That's it. If you like it, share it.